Oh, well, hey there. My name's Denise, and I'm going to tell you a bedtime story. I was reading this one. It's really awesome, and it's about friendship. This is called Max and Bird. Have you guys heard of it? Well, I didn't hear about it until recently, so I'm really excited to read this one to you. So I'm going to let you guys go get your stuffed animals, because I have mine. Let's do it, Mark. Oh, man. His hugs just get tighter and tighter every day. You guys ready? Let's do it. This is called Max and Bird. This is Max. Max is a kitten. Kittens chase birds. This is Bird. Bird is a bird. Birds get chased by kittens. Hello, Bird, said Max. Let's be friends. Yes, please, said Bird. First, I'll chase you, said Max. Then maybe I'll eat you up. You look like a tasty snack. I don't like being chased, said Bird, and I'm far too young to be a tasty snack. I haven't even learned to fly yet. Oh, said Max, but it's a rule of nature. Birds get chased by kittens. But friends don't eat each other up, said Bird. Said Max. We need to think about this. Max and Bird sat and thought for a while. Hold on, said Bird. I have an idea. Bird explained the principles of friendship to Max. Friends have fun together and help each other out. If you teach me how to fly, said Bird, then we'll talk about the chasing and all that other stuff, okay? That, said Max, is a very fair plan. They shook on the deal. Max explained the principles of flight to Bird. Well, Bird, first of all, what you do is, well, coughed Max, I don't think I know how to fly either. Follow me, said Bird. We'll go to the library. Librarians know everything. In the library, there was a section on flying. Max and Bird couldn't reach the books on the top shelf, so they borrowed some from the bottom. I love going to the library. Max and Bird studied for weeks. They read important books until their tiny brains were full. To cut a long story short, you just need to know, number 1, you have to concentrate really hard. Number 2, you have to stick out your wings. And number 3, you flap. Piece of cake. Max and Bird concentrated hard. They stuck out their wings and they flapped. Nothing happened. They flapped in the morning. They flapped in the afternoon. They flapped in the evening. Not a sausage. Zilch. They're trying their darndest. Max and Bird were tired out. All night long they slept. All night long they dreamed of flying. The next day, with heads full of dreams, Max and Bird tried again. They flapped and flapped until they ached. Nothing happened. Bird flipped. Bird stamped. Bird yelled, "No fun! I'm bored! Bored, bored, bored! Flapping isn't working out!" "Calm down," said Max. "We'll ask someone who can fly. They'll tell us what to do." Bird is getting frustrated. Max and Bird asked Pigeon, very politely, "Excuse us, could you please tell us how to fly? Please?" "Ha ha!" Pigeon cackled rudely. "Don't you even know how to fly? It's so easy. Just stick out your wings and flap. Look." So Pigeon flapped. Pigeon flew upside down. Pigeon zigged. Pigeon zagged. Pigeon looped the loop. Pigeon was showing off. Mean old bird. With iron resolve, Max and Bird tried once more. They flapped and flapped and flapped. At 5:23 p.m. precisely, something incredible happened. It was wobbly, but Bird took off for 1, 2, 3 whole seconds. He did it. Hooray! We did it! "Thank you for teaching me to fly," said Bird. "That's what friends are for," said Max. "Well, a deal's a deal," said Bird. "I suppose you want to eat me up now." "Oh," said Max. "A tasty snack. I'd forgotten about that. Let me think." Do you guys think he's going to eat them after all that they've been through? So Max thought for quite a while. "I don't want to eat you up," said Max. "It's not what friends do." "But can I watch you fly instead, please, Bird?" "Yes," said Bird. And he did his first loop-the-loop. Ooh, he even made a heart. Oh my goodness, I loved that story so much. You know, having friends is the best thing ever. They support you and they always make you feel good when you're feeling down. And that's what Max and Bird was about. I loved that so much. And you know who's my best friend? My friend Mark. I'm gonna give him one big hug before you guys go off to bed, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, thanks for being my best friend, Mark. And thank you guys for being a friend of mine too. I love you. Thank you for letting me into your house to read a bedtime story for you. Say goodbye to Mark. Bye guys. See you tomorrow.